In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use spot color in Photoshop. First, you're going to want to save the photo you want to use it on in Photoshop. Then you want to go over here to the left bar. We have all kinds of tools here, and we want to choose Quick Selection Tool. First, you're just going to select all of the picture, like the main part of the picture that you want to have color. Just get almost everything you can. Just get almost perfect because we can trim it up in a second. Okay, once you've got most of it, go back over here to where we were before and choose Selection Brush Tool. Then go up to the top of the screen where it says Mode and choose Mask. This will select everything and make everything else red. Then you want to just select everything else and make it like look better. Okay, you can make it not red by using Alt key and left clicking at the same time, like that. Okay, that's about good. That's about good. So now we can go back to selection mode, and we'll go to the top of the screen and select and inverse. This will choose everything other than what you originally had selected. Now you go to layer, new adjustment layer, hue saturation, and select this little box under the name. And in this bottom right corner, you want to see the saturation and take it all the way to the left. And that's all. Thank you for watching.